Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the extended single crochet decrease. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the extended single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the single crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So this tutorial is going to be a little different from my regular tutorials. In my normal tutorials, I would go row by row showing you how to make a stitch. This stitch is going to be considered a standalone stitch. I can't really make a full swatch of this stitch because it is a decrease stitch. Decrease stitches are typically used to shape crochet outfits, crochet bags, crochet sleeves, things like that. You're essentially using this decrease to bring together your fabric or your stitches. It's going to start bunching up together. So for my swatch so far, I have 22 chains. I made one single crochet into each chain for my first row. And then the second row, I've started with one chain. Now we can get into how to make the extended single crochet decrease. You're going to insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. You're pulling up one loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Take this loop that you just pulled up through this first loop. That's going to leave you with two loops. Yarn over and take that through both of those loops to complete that decrease. Now we're going to make that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You're going to take this loop that you just pulled up through this first loop. That's going to leave you two. Yarn over, take that through both of those loops to complete that decrease. Same thing, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up one loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up one loop. Take that loop you just pulled up through the first one, then yarn over and take that through both loops to complete that decrease. Now you can see how it's starting to curl my work because it's a decrease. You're bringing that fabric or those single crochet stitches together. And that is going to be how to make the extended single crochet decrease. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.